Hello everyone, let's go through another brilliant lesson. Let's first do the warm up. What is the last value of label? Where's label? Okay, label. Well, remember to lock your hours before the end of the week. Well, the label is inbox because it don't have www and urgent in there. Okay, what is wrong with this program? Messages for message in messages, text is message lower in text than text. Label phishing and inbox. Well, it prints label. Oh yeah. Well, instead of inserting the variable names. Yeah, it needs to be the format. Yeah, yeah, the F prefix, which means format. Fix the problem. See, it's need this F here. That one was easy.
Mistakes
Hey, happy birthday!
You too! But with personalized practice, you can learn from your mistakes and master more concepts faster. Try it today with Premium.
You too. Thank you. I will do that.
Let's get to another lesson. Searching sorted data. Let's avoid any unnecessary computations when scanning the message log. Check if there is a message with timestamp. Just stop scanning the log if you find one. So if I'm true, this one must be break. And while I is less than, then the target is this. And if target equals timestamp, yeah. But timestamp equals target is also true. The message log is sorted by timestamp, from earliest to latest. Stop searching when you've gone past the target timestamp. The program should stop within 6 iterations. Well, if timestamp is more than some earliest to latest. So, yeah, so gone past earliest. So, yeah, it should be more. Then found is true and right. Yeah, I guess so. Hmm. Should stop. So less than. So it's more, but found is false. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, because yeah, it's not we found it, but we just need to go past it. Which unnecessary computations does line 84, 86 avoid? Searching timestamps after the target. When data is ordered, a search doesn't always have to check every item. Since the messages are sorted from earliest to latest, the search can halt when it passes the target timestamp. Avoid starting the loop if the target timestamp is later than all the messages in the log. When the last is message and the last time is the last message timestamp. If if the target if last time is less than target. Yeah. If last time is more than target or equals to target. Iterations well more than target. Hmm. Messenger alert sorted by the timestamp. So grabs the last message then extract what that value to time. So before the loop even starts, we know the biggest timestamp. Okay, that makes sense. Now for this, checks whether the largest timestamp is at least as big as the target. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. In what case does line 5 avoid unnecessary? When all timestamps are before the target. What's the worst case complexity of this program? Well, so there is a while, so it would just go up linear time. Yeah, linear. If you were able to avoid some unnecessary competitions, yeah. Let's do skill check. What does line 79 avoid unnecessary competitions? Okay, if topic is less than last time, then yeah. Because from earliest to latest. What's wrong with this program? The program should report whether or not the target timestamp is in the list. If target is more than times last time. So yeah, whether target is not on the list. When the target is on the list, the program doesn't find it. Yeah, I know this one is wrong because it needs to be larger or equal to, or smaller or equal to, at least, not larger. So if the target is less than is in the list, yeah, because it's small. Only change this, yeah. It sounds like yeah, I guess. Okay, so I guess that's the end of the lesson. Thank you for listening.